Hello, I'm Olivia. When it comes to Taiwan, many people think of its beautiful natural environment. Penghu is an island located off the west coast of Taiwan. There are many famous scenery or monuments in Penghu. The most famous one is the Twin Hearts Stone Weir. It is the most complete and beautiful stonefish weir in Penghu. Not only can you take perfect photos there, but you can also catch trapped fish with the owner during low tide. Let me tell you a secret. It is said that if you walk clockwise around the Twin Hearts Stone Weir, you will find a perfect love. There are still many stone buildings in Penghu today, which are the architectural features of Penghu. In addition to the beautiful natural environment, Penghu has many special local food, such as peanut candy. Surrounded by the sea, Penghu is not only famous for its tourists and fishing, but also has a special island agriculture. Penghu is well known for growing angular tomatoes, cantaloupe, aloe vera, cactus, and peanuts. Now, there are 766 indigenous people in Penghu, belonging to 12 different ethnic groups. Our Aboriginal friends came and settled in Penghu a long time ago, and they are still a very important part of Penghu. Penghu is a beautiful place, whether it's scenery, historical buildings, foods, or culture. It's worth a visit. Thank you for watching.